Today we will study reduced form of structural model. Reduced form of structural model is the model in which the endogenous variables are expressed as the function of the predetermined variables only. Here we have some structural equations. First equation is the consumption equation, second is the investment equation, and third is the definitional equation. Consumption equation में Ct is the function of Yt, that is the value of Ct is determined by Yt. In the investment function, the value of investment is determined by Yt and the previous year value of Yt, that is Yt minus 1, and Yt is the sum total of Ct plus It plus Gt. यहाँ पर हम क्या देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ Yt यहाँ भी है और Yt यहाँ भी है. इसका मतलब Yt की वैल्यू सिस्टम के अंदर ही डिटरमाइन हो रही है, जबकि Yt माइनस 1 एंड Gt दीज आर डिटरमाइंड आउटसाइड द सिस्टम. दैट इज वाई दे आर कॉल्ड exogenous variables, and Ct, It and Yt they are called endogenous variables. These mu1 and mu2 these are the error term or random variables. Now we will see how to convert these structural equations into reduced form of equations. There are certain steps which we have to follow to understand how this conversion takes place. First of all, we convert this definitional equation into the reduced form of equation. We have the equation Yt is equal to Ct plus It plus Gt. To convert this Ct and It, substitute Ct and It in the value in the equation Yt. Just look at this first equation. Yt is equal to a1 Yt plus mu1. This is the value of Ct. Plus b1 Yt plus b2 Yt minus 1 plus mu2. This is the value of It. And Gt is the exogenous variable. This is written as it is. Now solve this equation like this, that we perform some mathematical transformations, that is Yt और Yt के साथ हम Yt वाली इधर की सभी टर्म्स एक साथ ले लेते हैं, that is towards the left hand side. Yt minus a1 Yt minus b1 Yt is equal to ut plus b2 Yt minus 1 plus mu2 plus gt. Now take out Yt here and keep this rest of the term inside the bracket. 1 minus a1 minus b1 is equal to this term. Now we get the final form of equation of Yt. This is b2 upon 1 minus a1 minus b1 Yt minus 1 plus 1 upon 1 minus a1 minus b1 gt plus this is the random term. Here we are seeing that Yt is the function of the exogenous variables, as we know that Yt minus 1 and gt both are the exogenous variables or predetermined variables. Now we will solve the equation of Ct, and in this Ct equation we will put the value of equation Yt which we have solved right now. Just look at the equation. Ct is equal to a1 and this is the value of Yt जो कि अभी हमने निकाली है, plus mu1. Next step is solve this Ct equation like that. Ct is equal to multiply the whole equation by a1 b2 upon 1 minus a1 minus b1 Yt minus 1 plus a1 upon 1 minus a1 minus b1 gt plus solve this equation like this. Here again we see that Ct is the function of predetermined variables only. We can write this equation, Ct equation, final form of Ct equation like that. Ct is equal to a1 b2 upon 1 minus a1 minus b1 Yt minus 1 plus a1 upon 1 minus a1 minus b1 gt plus mu1 plus a1 mu2 minus b1 mu1 upon 1 minus a1 minus b1. Similarly, we can calculate the IT equation in terms of reduced form. For this again we put the value of yt in IT equation. It is equal to b1. This is the IT equation. b1 yt plus b2 yt minus 1 mu2. तो yt की इक्वेशन जो अभी हमने सॉल्व की है उसको it की इक्वेशन में पुट करेंगे. तो वी हैव दिस b1 b2 अपॉन 1 माइनस a1 माइनस b1 yt माइनस 1 प्लस 1 अपॉन 1 माइनस a1 माइनस b1 dt प्लस ut प्लस mu2 अपॉन 1 माइनस a1 माइनस b1 प्लस b2 yt माइनस 1 प्लस mu2. अब हम एक एक करके इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. फर्स्ट सॉल्व फॉर yt माइनस 1. जस्ट लुक एट द सॉल्यूशन. b1 b2 अपॉन 1 माइनस a1 माइनस b1 yt माइनस 1 प्लस b2 दिस वाली ये वाली टर्म b2 माइनस a1 b2 माइनस b1 b2 अपॉन 1 माइनस a1 minus b1 yt minus 1. Solve it. This is the plus term, this is the minus term, this will be cancel out. We will get this b2 minus a1 b2 upon 1 minus a1 minus b1 yt minus 1, and finally we get this last form. Now solve the equation for mu2. Just take the pencil and you solve it by yourself along with me. b1 mu1 plus b1 mu2 plus mu2 minus a1 mu2 minus mu2 b1 upon 1 minus a1 minus b1. These two terms will cancel out and we have only b1 mu1 minus a1 mu2 plus mu2 upon 1 minus a1 minus b1. तो अब हमारे पास क्या इक्वेशन बचती है. it इज इक्वल टू b2 1 माइनस a1 अपॉन 1 माइनस a1 माइनस b1 yt माइनस 1 b1 1 माइनस a1 माइनस b1 dt प्लस mu2 प्लस b1 mu1 माइनस a1 mu2 अपॉन 1 माइनस a1 माइनस b1. This is the error term. Since in reduced form equations endogenous variables are expressed as a function of exogenous variable and reduced form parameters are expressed by pi. So the model will be Ct is equal to pi 1 1 yt minus 1 and pi 1 1 is जो कि अभी हमने सॉल्व किया है a1 b2 अपॉन 1 माइनस a1 माइनस b1 yt माइनस 1 प्लस pi 1 2 gt. pi 1 2 is a अपॉन 1 माइनस a1 minus b1 dt plus mu1. Pi 2 1 is equal to, this is the equation of it. Pi 2 1 is b2 1 minus a1 upon 1 minus a1 minus b1 yt minus 1 plus pi 2 2 dt. तो pi 2 2 is b1 upon 1 minus a1 minus b1 dt and pi 3 1 is b2 upon 1 minus a1 minus b1 yt minus 1 and pi 3 2 g is 1 upon 1 minus a1 minus b1 dt plus mu3. This is how we transform the structural equations into the reduced form equation. If you like my video, please subscribe and press the bell icon.